Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be unboxing my phone mount that I ordered from Amazon. So without a further ado, let's get started. I ordered this ESR dashboard phone mount and it has Magsafe compatibility. But for your information, this specific model doesn't support wireless charging. So let's quickly unbox this. So here we have seal for authenticity and it provides surety that it has not been opened. So let's quickly open this seal and see what's the box content. I have opened the box and this is the first thing that comes in the box. It's a user manual. I mean, if you want to see installation video, then you can scan this barcode. Otherwise, they have mentioned steps here like this, so you can follow these steps and perform the installation. Here is the actual phone mount and you can see the packaging, and it also has two wipes. One is wet and other one is dry, that would be used for cleaning. And this is the suction cup. In order to remove this packaging, we need to unscrew from here, and then only we can detach it from this cardboard box, and then we will move to installation. Before installation, I would like to show you these two nuts. These are used for adjusting the angle of mount. I mean, how you want to mount it. So these are used for adjustability. So I am installing it here, and before installing, I'll clean it with the microfiber cloth, then with the wet and dry wipes. So let me do that and then I'll continue. So before installing, just remove this paper, and now we can stick this on the windscreen. I have completed the installation, and this is the position where I have installed it. So this is the view from windscreen, and I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, please share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.